Hello guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make a list on Amazon. So let's begin. So making a list organizes everything in your Amazon account, like your wish list, gifts, and shopping in general. So click over here on your profile icon. It says create list. Now it's going to be really simple. You just need to click on that and you should be able to create a list over here. Click on that and you can list any name you want, just so long as it's your preference. Click create. Use list to save items for later. That's exactly what we need. Click create, then it will reflect right over here, and you can do uh, quite a few more lists if you would like to. Okay, that will seemingly help your shopping experience in Amazon. And that's it. I hope you found this video very helpful.